Hey there, do you ever suffer from self-doubt, imposter syndrome? When you get rejected for something, does it kind of knock you off balance and just hijack your thoughts for the next few days? Yeah, well, you're not alone. But here's the thing, you can have all the best acting technique and talent in the world, but it doesn't really help anything if you aren't able to manage your nerves and master your mindset. And so that's why I'm teaching this course, Mindset Master for Actors at Actors Playbook. My name is Holly Shaw. I'm a coach and a performance anxiety expert. I've been a SAG actor since I was 16 years old, and at this point, I've helped hundreds of actors master their mindset so that they can do their best and book more gigs. This class is going to be interactive, so I want to know what's going on with you. We'll do a guided meditation, we'll have a discussion, and finally, you're going to learn some cutting-edge strategies to help you so that when those big opportunities do arise, you're going to feel ready to step up to the plate and really do your best. So I hope to see you there in Mindset Master for Actors.